In this tutorial video, we're going to go through how to rotate an object in Vectric Spark. Now, to rotate the object, you will either need to double click on the object to show the transform tools, or you will need to select the objects and make sure you have the transform option selected here. So to rotate the object, you will need to click on the rotation handle here, and you can click and drag this to rotate the object. And you can see here the field above the object, it is updating to the angle that the object is currently at. You can also select and hold the option key on your keyboard, and as you click and drag the object to rotate, it will do this in 15-degree increments. This can be helpful to precisely rotate the object in your project. Another way to rotate the object is to enter the angle you want to rotate the object in the field here. So for example, if I enter 20 here and press enter on the keyboard, you can see that the object has rotated 20 degrees anti-clockwise. So now if we click on the rotation handle again and instead enter -20 and click enter, you can see that the object has now gone back to its original position, because entering a negative value will rotate the object clockwise. Another option you have when rotating objects is you can edit the pivot point for the rotation. So if I select all the vectors here and click on the center of the object, you can see here a white circle in the center, and this is the pivot point for the rotation. And we can actually click and drag this point to wherever we want in our project. So for example, if I were to click and drag it to the edge here, so you can see now that the white circle is here. And now we go up to the rotation handle and click and drag. You can see now, instead of it rotating from the center of the object that we have selected, it is now rotating from the new position we have placed the pivot point. And we can go back to that point and again move this to a different position, and this will now be the new rotation point when rotating an object. I hope you have found this tutorial video helpful going through how to rotate an object in Vectric Spark.